Hello CrocFIX lovers! So do you have a problem with your iPhone? Is it stuck? Touch is not working? Is it frozen, unresponsive? Then this tutorial is for you. If you want to donate, there is a donate link in my video description and in my About channel. Thank you very much and enjoy the video. Okay, let's say your phone is unresponsive. It doesn't do anything. Touch is not working, nothing is working. You can't unlock it, you can't swipe up, you can't do anything. So what you have to do is this. So we have to do a forced restart by pressing button combinations. You press quick, volume up, volume down, and then you press the right side button and hold it until you see the Apple logo. Okay, I released it a bit earlier, but no worries. So there is the Apple logo. And the phone is restarting now. The system is restarting, the iOS. So let's see if everything is working. If there was only a bug, everything should work. So let's see if it's working. It's working. Okay, that's it. If it's not working for you, if the touch is still not working, then probably you have a screen failure or there is some other damage. You will have to open the phone or bring it to a service repair shop. Thanks for watching. If the video did help you, you can send a donation to support my channel. The link is in the video description and on my About channel. Thank you. If you have questions, leave a comment and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.